This hair dryer from Laifen is so incredible. As you can see, I have the white color here, and this matte finish just makes it so nice to hold. It also comes with two different attachments. As you can see here, they're magnetic, so you can just basically snap them on. Very easy to take off, and you can also snap on the other one, which is personally my favorite. It's so nice to use, and you have a fast mode as well as an even faster mode for the airflow. You also have a cold, warm, and hot mode. Just everything you need, and it really is a necessity in your home. I highly recommend this product.